Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, and you know what that means.
Games with Gas!
Where our staff members compete to see who can be the most awesome for kids today. And today we have two teachers that called each other out, that wanted to compete against each other because they love each other and they teach so well together, but they're also competitive. And so they want to come on this week. So let's bring up Mr. Bodmer. Let's hear it for him. And Miss Clevenger, come on! All right, so check this out. So we have. All right, simmer down. I know we got Ravens against the Patriots going on right here, and they play Sunday night against each other. So this is a big. And I'm a Steelers fan, so I don't even know how I feel about this game, But before we go on for next week, we have two contestants, and we have a special Games with Guests next week, which will be a special Veterans Games with Guests next week, because we are coming up close to Veterans Day, which is a big thing for our school for sure. So we're not going to pick names because we have a special guest coming on and some fun competition next week. So what do we have in store today? I know you asked me to wear a referee jersey because I got to keep it clean in here. I gotta keep you guys straight. All right, so what are we doing today?
So we are playing tabletop football, and the first person to get the football through the goal post 5 times wins.
Okay, and who's gonna win?
Well, I was going to be nice because she wanted to know how she could win, and then she brings all these foam fingers for her kids.
Oh, nice. Let's see.
Which I didn't do, so
let's see it. Let's see
no
it.
mercy.
No
mercy.
Bring it back. Sit down. All right, don't make me eject anybody over here, you guys. I should have brought my flags. I should throw some flags out there. All right, so we got some fans in the stands. It looks like a packed house. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna fade to black. We're gonna set up, and we are going to start. All right. All right, so this is serious deal here. I know it's a lot of setup, so thank you for your patience. And parents, we're going to be at Store Awards coming up right after this, so this is an exciting day today. Are we ready to go?
Yep.
We're going to see how many you can get in. All right, who's going up first?
We're going at the same time.
Same? Well, let's do one at a time so we can see who actually gets it in. All right?
Okay.
Who's going first?
You can go first.
All right. All right, here we go. Let's see. No. Okay. Whoa! Field goal. All right, let's see this one.
Am I supposed to have this the right way?
You're good. Oh, no. All right, let's see it. Oh! That was wide, and I think it was intentional. Whoa! I think that was wide right. All right, so far 1-0. No! Oh! Did it go through? I think it went straight through. All right, so. No! All right, I think that was wide right, or left, here we go. Oh! We're going to count that one. It's 1-1. Or is that 1-2 now? 1-2. All right. Oh, no. It was down the middle. All right. 3-1.
3.
Yeah. Right down the middle. All right, here we're going to go. All right. Hey! All right. I think that went down. All right. Let's do 2 more each. Ready? No. For the win. Oh! And I gotta give Miss Clevenger credit, because even though she's wearing a Tom Brady T-shirt, she did not even cheat at all whatsoever. These don't look, we were checking the dimensions on if they're inflated too much on these footballs right here, but I think they're okay. So, congratulations, Mr. Bodmer! There we go. All right. So, Remember, at Ashland, learning is fun. What's our motto, everybody?
Together we soar higher.
And have a great day.